Good morning, my dear students. Today, in this video clip, I want to discuss about that is the four problems. How to solve that is the four problems based on that is the fourth chapter, moving charges and magnetism. That is chapter 4 in the second PUC syllabus, particularly in the physics subject. Yes. Now previously already I have sent that is one video clip. That video clip based on all the formulas which are come across that is in moving charges and magnetism chapter. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಸಮ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ವಾಚ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. Once you know the theory about that chapter and we know the formulas, whatever come across in that theory, then only we easy to solve the problems. First you know the theory in the physics, you know the whatever the formulas, the equations, then you go to solve the problems. You apply your skill during solving the problems. Before going to solving the problems, I want to request to all my dear students, you become a subscriber for our channel. How you become a subscriber for that channel? First you press that is the subscriber button, then you press the bell button, then you become a subscriber for our physics channel. And one more point, I hope all of you become a subscriber. Modale madi subscriber. Yes, you come to the problems. Now the proton enters the magnetic field of 0.75 Tesla with a velocity of 3 into 10 to the power of 7 meters per second, an angle of 30 degree. With the field, calculate force act on proton. First to remember here, in atom, the protons and neutrons in the nucleus, protons having the positive charge, electron having the negative charge. But the magnitude of the charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. It is also 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Both having the same magnitude of the charge, but they are opposite kind. One proton is positive charge, electron is negative charge. Of the magnitude of the charge, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. It is positive and it is negative. Now see here proton means charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Now magnetic field that is B is equal to that is 0.75 Tesla. 0.75 Tesla. With velocity of the moving charge is 3 into 10 to the power of 7 meter per second. An angle theta is equal to 30 degree and calculate the force. Calculate the force act from the charge. It is a simple problem. You apply there is one particular formula, the force act on a moving charge particle in the magnetic field. Now charge is Q, moving with velocity V in the magnetic field B with an angle theta. Then force act on moving charge in the magnetic field. Then that charge particle is moving in a curved path. Sometimes it is in the circular path. Then why it is moving in a circular path? Because the magnetic force act on that charge. That magnetic force that magnetic force act on proton, that is F is equal to simple formula QVB sin theta. It's a very simple formula. You have to use that formula. F is equal to QVB sin theta. Substitute the values. Now F, magnitude of the force. There is no question of direction there. Only there is the magnitude. If it is in the vector form, at that time vector F is equal to Q into bracket vector V cross vector B. That is in vector form. Now the force, to substitute the values, F is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Velocity, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 7 into B 0.75 into sin 30. Then you multiply these things. What is the multiplication of 1.6 into 3 into 0.75? That is the next 1 by 2. That is the 36. This one. This is you say to me, that is 3.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 plus 7. I think it is that is minus 12 into sin 30 1 by 2. Multiplication of 1.6 into 3 into 0.75. This value is 3.6. And sin 30 is 1 by 2. Minus 19 plus 7 means minus 12. Now this is equal to, divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. 8 into 10 to the power of minus 12 Newton is the force act on, that is the moving proton in the uniform magnetic field. This is about first problem solution. This is about first problem solution. Now you come to the second problem. An electron, here is proton here it is a moving proton here. But here electron, here in the second problem, the moving charge particle is electron. Electron means what? Electron means the same charge, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Same. Magnitude of the charge of the proton, magnitude of the charge of the electron, they are same magnitude, but they are in opposite kind. What about the neutron? Neutron is electrically neutral. There is no charge at all. Yes, fine. Now Q is equal to this much. Yes. Okay. Now electron moving at right angles, theta is equal to 90 degree to a uniform magnetic field of 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Tesla, acted upon by magnetic force. Magnetic force F is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 15 Newton. And what you have to calculate? What is the speed of the electron? Please. What are the given values? Moving electron is given. Electron charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Now angle, right angles to the magnetic field means theta is equal to 90 degree. Then in the magnetic field B, 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Tesla. And force 3 into 10 to the power of minus 15 Newton. What is the velocity of the moving charge particle? This is the asked question. Okay. Magnetic force act on electron. F is equal to QVB sin theta. What you have to take here? P you have to take. P is F upon QB sin theta. This is awesome. Force is given here. You have to calculate the velocity of the moving electron here. Charge means that is understood, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 20. Yes, fine. P is equal to, what is the force? 3 into 10 to the power of minus 15 divided by Q, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 into, what is the magnetic field? B, 5 into 10 raised to minus 3. This is sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree. Yes, fine. Now this is V is equal to, what you got here? 3 divided by, this is I think 8 into 10 to the power of minus 15 divided by minus 19 minus 3 into 10 to the power of minus, what you have to take here, 22 into sin 90 is 1. You observe this one. Force is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 15, 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Charge, magnetic field. Now this is the magnetic field. 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Tesla. Theta 90 degree, sin 90. Sin 90 is 1 here. 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5. 1.6 into 5 is 8. 8 into 10 to the power of minus 22. What is the answer here? P is equal to 3 divided by 8. What is the answer for 3 divided by 8? 3.75. 0.375. Now 10 to the power of minus 15. 10 to the power of minus 15 into 10 to the power of plus 22. P is equal to 0.375 into 10 to the power of, I think, plus 7. Now P is equal to, for our convenience, you multiply by 10 to this one, it becomes 3.75 into 10 to the power of 6 meter per second. This is the velocity of moving electron in the given magnetic field. This is the second problem. This is a very easy problem. Only there is a substitution is there. There is no comparison with that. Only that is the substitution. Only you have to take the substitute the value and you have to calculate. That is whatever you asked in the problem. Simply formula. Fine. Now you come to the next problem. This is the force act on moving charge particle in the uniform magnetic field. Now you come to the third problem. Third one is solution. Yes, fine. Now see here. A metallic wire 7 meter in length. 7 meter in length. L is 7 meter. And carrying a current of 6 ampere. I is 6 ampere. Place in the uniform magnetic field of B 0.1 Tesla. 1 Tesla. And place at the theta 1 is equal to 0 degree. Theta 2 is equal to 30 degree. Theta 3 is equal to 60 degree. Force F1 question mark. Force F2 question mark. F3 is question. For this angle, for 0 degree, what is the force? For 30 degree, what is the force? And for 60 degree, what is the force? In these two problems, based on only one formula, simple formula, F is equal to QBD sin theta. Based on this one. Okay? But this problem, this is a metallic wire 7 meter in length and carrying a current of 6 ampere is placed in a magnetic field of 0.1 Tesla. Calculate the magnitudes of force on the wire 10 it is placed at 0 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree to the field. What is the expression for the force act on the current carrying conductor in the magnetic field? BIL sin theta. Okay. Now force F1 is equal to PIL sin theta 1. First, we calculate the magnitudes of the forces. Magnitude of the force. First, you have to calculate that is the F1 force F1. Now see here, this is the F1 is equal to PIL sin 0 degree. This becomes 0. No force act on the charge. That conductor. To discuss the different things. When theta is equal to 0, when theta is equal to 90 degree, when theta is equal to 180 degree, like that. Suppose this is the magnetic field. This is the magnetic field. This is the conductor. Suppose your conductor placed like this. It means along the direction of the magnetic field. It means theta equal to 0. There is no force act on the charge. Suppose that this is the magnetic field. But current carrying conductor placed like this. मतलब ये तोड़े 180 degree theta. If theta is 180 degree, at that time also no force act on the charge. Theta is equal to 0, no force act on the charge. It means both the direction of the magnetic field and direction of the current carrying conductor in the same direction. Okay. Now this is the magnetic field, but it is in opposite direction. There is no force act on the charge. At different angle from 0 to 90 degree, the force act on the charge. Now second force F2 is equal to BIL sin theta 2. Okay, this is another force, second force. F2 is equal to BIL sin theta. Sin theta 2. Now see here, what is the B? 0.1. Therefore F2 is equal to 0.1 B. What is I? I is 6. What is L? 7. What is theta? Sin 30 degree. Is fine. F2 is equal to how much you got here, sir? 42. I think it is 4.2 into 1/2. This is the answer you got. I think it is 2.1 Newton. This is the expression for the force act on current carrying conductor when placed in the uniform magnetic field. That formula how to use here. For different angle, you ask the problem. What are the forces? You have to calculate it. For theta is equal to what is the force? What is theta? Another 30 degree. What is the force? And third force F3 is equal to this is theta 3. For what angle? 60 degree. What is that angle? Is 60 degree. Fine. F3 is equal to what is B? What is the value of B? B is 0.1 into what is I? I is 6 into 7 into sin 60 degree. Sin 60. Now F3 is equal. Now what this is 4.2 into root 3/2. This is 2.1 into this is 1 the 2.1 into root 3 1.73. What is your force? You calculate it. How much you got the answer here? How much you got the answer for this one is 3.6372. 3.6372. Now see here, theta is 0, theta is 30 degree, theta is 60 degree. It means go on increase the angle. Go on increase the angle. What happens? Go on increase the angle. What happens? The force is also increases. Force is also go on increases. Yes, fine. Force is also that is go on increases. This is F3 is equal to 3.6372. Now come to that point. Third problem. What is the asked here? Third problem here ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is the ask here? Now see here, I want to do this one. What to solve the third problem here? Yes, fine. I want to solve this one. Find the current that flows through a conductor of length 0.314 meter. L is 0.314 meter. Fine. It is in the form of semicircle of radius 0.1 meter. Produce a magnetic field 6.28 into 10 to the power of minus 6 Tesla. And what you have to find out? I have to find out. Now like this. Semicircle. Current flow like this. This is the radius. It means n is equal to half turn. N is equal to take half turn. Ardhanta. Now what is the current? We have to find out this. Here magnetic field is here. B at the center. Magnetic field produced at center of coil. At the center of the coil, that is B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi 2 pi Ni divided by R. This is the formula for this is coil here. Now you have to substitute here N is equal to 1 by 2. Half turn. It is only half turn. Like that you have to easy. This is the easy method to solve the problem here. Easily you have to calculate it. Yes. Now see here. B is equal to mu naught over. Now B is equal to this value is 10 to the power of minus 7. This is the mu naught out of 4. This is 2 into pi. This is 1 by 2. This is I divided by 2 cancel. 2 cancel. What is the remaining here? B is equal to, that is pi I into 10 to the power of minus 7 divided by. What is I have to calculate here? I is B into R divided by pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. Clear? I is equal to B into R divided by pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. Easy to calculate this one. Now this is based on another formula that is for the loop n is equal to 1. For the coil n is 2 or more than 2. Half turn n is equal to 1 by 2. This is your to use here. This n is equal to 1 by 2. Then I is equal to what you got is here. If it is a coil, here you take the number of turns, whatever the number of turns is. Only one turn, that is loop. Only one turn, that is loop. 2 or more than turns, that is a coil. 2 or more than 2 turns, that is a coil. That is said to be coil. Now I is equal to, what is B value? 6.28 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into R value is 0.1 divided by 5, 3.142 into that is 10 to the power of minus 1. This is one method. Another method is used by Biot-Savart, that is also used here. Now I is equal to, what is your answer? This is 0.628 divided by 3.142 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 10 to the power of plus 1. Fine. I is equal to. What is the value of this one? When you divide this one, 0.19, 0.19872 into 10 to the power of plus 1. It is a near about 92 into 10 to the power of plus 1. This is I is equal to, I think it is 2 ampere is the answer. This is the answer. The current flow through that semicircular loop, that is a semi loop, that is I is equal to 2 ampere. Now this formula is also useful. At that time you take that is a 90 degree. Take that is a 90 degree. What formula? By using Biot-Savart law. That formula is used here. By using, that is Biot-Savart law. By using Biot-Savart law, that is dV is equal to I dl sin theta divided by r square, or simply r square. This is r square. So using this formula, again you got the same answer. Same answer. This method is one of the easy method, and this method is also used. But here theta should be able to take here 90 degree. Theta should be 90 degree. Theta into 90 degree. Now you calculate I using this formula. That is a Biot-Savart law formula. Answer you got same answer, near about 2 ampere. Near about 2 ampere. Okay. How many problems you have to solve here in this video clip? There are 4 problems. Based on how many formulas? It is based on, that is only 3 formulas. We will use 3 formulas. 3 formula used materially, 4 problems solved. Before going to that point, okay, now problem 1 and problem number 2, it is based on only one simple formula, F is equal to QVB sin theta. It is based on only, that is the force act on moving charge particle in the magnetic field. That formula F is equal to QVB sin theta. It is based on only one formula. First problem and second problem. Third problem, it is based on the simple formula. The magnetic force act on current carrying conductor when placed in the magnetic field. That is F is equal to VIL sin theta. Now this formula, F is equal to VIL sin theta. This problem based on this formula. The force, magnetic force act on current carrying conductor when placed in the uniform magnetic field. Fine. Now, fourth problem based on, use this formula or this. Now this is the magnetic field produced at the center of the coil. Or you have to use, that is the Ampere's circuit law. Or suppose you use, that is Ampere's circuit. Biot-Savart law. That is the Biot-Savart law. Based on, that is the Biot-Savart law. But theta is equal to, how you take here 90 degree? Suppose it is in a curved path. Suppose this is a line joining. Line joining, the length of the element should be this, should be 90 degree. But in semicircle, definitely line joining is perpendicular to tangent from at any point. Fine. Okay, this is about, these are the 4 problems based on, there is the 3 formulas. Okay, once again I request to all my dear students, you become a subscriber for our channel. How you become a subscriber? First you have to press the button, subscriber button, red color, and you press the button, bell button, then you become a, what you say, subscribe. I hope all of you become a subscriber. Okay, and before going to solving these problems, first you follow or watch the formula list. Before you watch the formula list, first you thoroughly you watch the theory video tips. Regularly, I already sent that regular video. Okay, thank you.